Welcome to the JMT.
Babati now meet with the vice president of Google to discuss the betterment of Nigerian youth. My people, how na dey? We don't come again for this our news channel. If this one is the first time where you come across this our video, make you do well to subscribe. And if you don't subscribe before, don't forget to turn on that notification bell so that all our news where they enter your phone as if na text message. This will not be them say this one na see am for yourself, make you hear am for yourself. My people, on today's news, we want to talk about the meeting where Babati holds with the Google vice president. He talk many things for this meeting. Say he wants to Google help and assistant as if they plan to create 1 million job online. Say say this one will help the Nigeria youths. So many people don't they complain of unemployment, but this one at least will go a long way. He can't tell the vice president. The vice president can't complain. I say no problem. Say because Nigeria they be one people where they sabi use internet and they sabi search where they ask questions. They use Google app wella. So they don't get any issues. So they look forward to working with Babati. My people, I want to play on the video. Make una hear wetin this vice president talk by himself.
Of Google Global Vice President, and we paid a courtesy visit to Mr. President and also discussed areas of mutual support and assistance between the two. He also said that he followed with interest Mr. President's programs and what he wants to achieve for this country, especially in the digital space. Mr. President's promise to provide at least 1 million employment or jobs for our young, teeming young Nigerians. Google will have something to support in that regard. The Vice President assured Mr. President that they are very much ready, available. They are also helping us in the areas of misinformation and things that will help also openness, transparency and accountability generally in governance and in the way we do our things. We also discussed a couple of other things to do with helping us how we can continue to live in peace, stability and security. Those are very critical areas. It's about technology, and today Google is in the lead, and we are very grateful. We are very encouraged with the visit of the Vice President, and the President is extremely excited with
to be here in Nigeria, and extraordinarily pleased to meet with the National Security Advisor and the President. As he's noted, Google is committed to Nigeria. We believe strongly in the importance of developing the digital skills in your society, as we have in other societies in our own, and we look forward to being a supportive partner in that regard. Well, I think, first of all, in any society and democracy, it's important that we have a skilled society, that we develop the digital skills within that society. We also know that in these times that it's very important that we work together to address the challenges of misinformation, that we also address the opportunities in building a powerful and substantive free press. And that's what I learned here. That's what I was inspired by when I have been here meeting with many people in the community, and I look forward to returning.
My people, open I don't watch the video, and I don't hear wetin this man talk. We hope say this talk so go come into reality, because not be bad idea Babati we get for the Nigerian youth. 1 million employment go a very long way. My people, wetin una think concerning this matter? I would like to know una opinion. Make una like, share and comment. Until we meet again for another news, una make sure to stay safe. Oh, una do.
DJ